Hey everyone, Tracy here from Art Fiber Stitch. We're just looking at a very quick view of a couple of my videos that I already have online, and this is just showing you what you can do with a single printed fabric and how you can make it up with two totally different moods, shall we say. And this one here, well, we've done cut out some beautiful silk petals, put it on top. We've made a nice cutout of one of the leaves and added that. We've stitched it on, and we're just finishing off with a little bit of embroidery, and it looks quite good, I think. It's got an ethereal kind of feel to it, and yeah, learn how to do a French knot. It's good fun, and it really does make things look finished, I think. All right, so this is the number one. Now, I really do like it, but I like all kinds of things. So this one here, you can see I've also used some light lines traveling through it as if the wind is blowing. Anyway, let's have a look at the second one. Here are the two side by side. I actually did three, so there's a third video if you want to look for it. But look at this. That one here is lovely and breezy and just pastel-y, light. Very nice. But the next one, well, we're going to add some colour. Now, you can see here, the fabric on the right is what I started with. And here we go. I'm going to use Inktense. That's a little pastel kind of stick that's a dye. And when you add water, it becomes waterproof. I'm just adding and adding and adding because it looks a bit of a mess, I do agree. But by the time it's dry, it really does look quite nice. And it's an experiment. I'm all about experimenting and see where it goes. So this is what we did. Plenty of colour. And then some easy stitching. I just did some very simple straight long stitches out from the centres of those flowers. I added in a butterfly and a leaf, and it was enough, you know, it looked really good. So always have a look to see how big you want it and will everything fit in nicely. I don't have a big plan when I start, but one thing leads to another. See how those blue stitches look lovely in there? Yeah, I really like this one. But here's the other one, the third one that I was talking about. Same fabric again, completely different feel for it. So go through your stash, find little bits and pieces and see what you can make. Don't forget to press like and subscribe.